Big news stories today. Coinbase has added functionality for Cardano staking, and we've seen Cardano's price explode. It's now gone up over $1, and as of the time of doing this video, it's up over 13%. The studio behind the smash hit PUBG, which is a first-person shooter that is online, that raked in over $5.1 billion, is currently working on games for the Solana blockchain. We're seeing more and more major traditional video game creators step into that Web3 arena, and this is a huge one to show not only is the blockchain gaming area going to continue to grow, but also that Solana is a very attractive project for people to build upon. Mark Zuckerberg's tech empire seems to be setting its sights even more on crypto, with Meta now filing for trademarks for wallets, exchanges and crypto tokens. US investment bank Cohen launched its dedicated crypto division. FTX and CoinShares have launched physical staking with Solana ETPs. Japanese software giant Line plans to create their new NFT marketplace next month. Ray Dalio's Bridgewater, which is one of the world's largest hedge funds, is investing in a crypto fund, and this is a massive signal that huge hedge funds are taking crypto investment seriously. There's another really interesting news story that you guys should check out as well, which is about the correlation between Bitcoin and the S&P 500, okay, which is at a 17-month high at the moment. I do recommend that any of you that want to really understand the mechanics of this a little bit better, check out that news story. You'll find it in our free Discord server. I'd also like to thank all of the news sources where we found these stories from today, which are Cointelegraph, Decrypt, Crypto Potato, Bitcoin.com, and the Daily Hodl. You should check all of them out. Fantastic news sites. And finally, the Fed Chair Powell says crypto needs more regulation, and he believes that it could be a risk to the United States financial system. So, as you have heard, there is some massive news in the crypto space for this week. Majority of that news is today, and the marketplace is extremely bullish. We've seen a nice bounce. It's looking like if we can close the week at around 44k, then we're likely to see a huge continuation. Now, obviously, guys, remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing today's news with you for the crypto space. There are plenty of opportunities out there. I'm extremely bullish on the marketplace long term, but short term, we have got certain resistance and support levels that we've got to make sure we have broken past in order for the bull run continuation to continue. That said, hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you would like to read these news stories in more detail, then join our free Discord server. You will find the link in the description below. Hope you all have a fantastic day, and I look forward to catching up with you guys in the next one. Take care.